Welcome to a world where you can create your very own IPTV service effortlessly. Start your journey with 2TV.store, the leader in providing unmatched IPTV services. First, contact Nancy at 2TV.store for amazing customer support, guiding you through your IPTV journey. The link is in the description. Don't miss it out. Now, immerse yourself in the technicalities. Begin by selecting the right software. Focus on security features and ease of use. Choose wisely, as these are vital steps. Configure the service settings to match your preferences. Choose your channels and customize your streaming experience. Watch as your personalized IPTV begins to form. Install necessary hardware, like IPTV set-top boxes. Optimize for seamless streaming, and ensure compatibility with your network for a smooth experience. You're all set. Experience the revolution of personalized content with your customized IPTV. Now, sit back and enjoy the entertainment world at your fingertips.